Imagine a city where your salary is tax-free, where skyscrapers rise out of the desert, and where Indians aren't just visitors, they're building empires. That's Dubai. And right now, more Indians are moving here than ever before. This is Navya Bal and you're watching TimesXP. Today let's talk about why thousands of Indians, from techies to millionaires, are packing their bags for Dubai. Today, India makes up nearly 38% of UAE's total population. That's not just migration, it's transformation. But what's driving the massive shift? Let's break it down. First, Dubai's financial system. It's built to attract opportunity. There's flat 5% VAT, no personal income tax, and also business-friendly free zones where startups and entrepreneurs can grow without heavy costs. From small businesses, it's a paradise. Then comes the lifestyle. Dubai feels like a dream. But in 40 years, beaches, malls, fine dining, safety, and luxury everywhere. It's one of the rare places where you can live the global lifestyle with Indian comfort. You will find Indian food, culture, lifestyle, yet feels like truly international. But here's the twist. It's not just middle-class families moving in. According to Henley and Partners, more than 4,300 Indian millionaires have already shifted to Dubai in 2024. These are the people who once invested in London and New York, but now they're choosing Dubai for its ease, climate, and tax efficiency. And there's another advantage: location. Dubai is just a few hours away from most Indian cities, so families, businesses, ties are still intact. It's close enough to feel connected, yet far enough to feel global. During the COVID crisis, Dubai proved that why it stands apart. The city handled the pandemic with precision, fast healthcare, quick vaccination, and strict control. It bounced back faster than most of the countries, citing new image. It bounced back faster than most of the countries, creating a new image of the Middle East, safest and most dynamic hub. For many Indians, Dubai isn't just a destination, it's a new dream, a place where safety, stability, and opportunity come together. So, what do you think? If given a chance, would you move to Dubai for a better life?